All right, gather round, audio nerds and gadget gurus. It's Andy from MrYouWho, and boy, do I have a treat lined up for you. Today we're diving into, cannonballing into, the deep end with the JBL Tune Beam, as you can see here. So picture this, a wireless wonder that's looking to take your earbud game from zero to hero. We're unboxing this bad boy, poking out its features, and giving it a bit of a weather test to see if it can handle our wild adventures. And as you can see here, here's the earbuds right in front of me. So if you've got an eyebrow raised over the promised 48-hour JBL Pure Bass extravaganza, or perhaps just salivating over the idea of that snazzy Bluetooth 5.3 doing its thing, well, glue your peepers to the screen because we're about to spill all the beans. And by the end of our musical escapade, you'll be in the know. Is the JBL Tune Beam just a shiny toy, or is it the real deal for your eardrums? So I'm going to pop them on right now, guys. As you can see, put them into my ears, just like that, see? Really easy. So if you're nodding along and thinking, gee Andy, you've done it again, then hit that thumbs up, slam dunk the subscribe button, and ring-a-ding that notification bell. And hey, if you're thinking about sliding a Tune Beam into your pocket or your ears, our links down below are your golden ticket, and they help keep the lights on here at MrYouWho headquarters. And also, just a little whisper for you as well, the JBL Tune Beam isn't flowing solo. It's part of the Swanky Tune series. So if you're scratching your noggin over which JBL ear candy is perfect for you, boogie over to our video right here. And as you can see, we compare all the different brands as well, so you can see which is better for you, whether you want to go the Wave, the Tune, or the Live. And for those dreaming of dollar signs and digital dominion, scoot over now to Freedom in Hours. It's like a treasure map to online business gold, where we go through tutorials, making money, all different things, so you guys can start earning money and create an income. But anyway, let's go back to our main event. Fasten your seatbelts, audiophiles. We're taking off on the JBL Tune Beam Express. And our next stop, the unboxing station. Let the games begin, only here at MrYouWho. Tune Beam again are the mid-range of the JBL earbuds, out of the Choose Your Earbud range, which we spoke about earlier. So you're going to get a good mix in these. So there's the case. Again, you've got the JBL Pebble case as well. Again, not too heavy as well, nice and light. Comes with USB-C charging just there too. Let's pop open and have a look. So there are the earbuds just there. So you've got the charging indicator. You've got the magnetic case. So turn them upside down. They don't pop out, which, guys, I think is really, really cool. So let's pop one out and look at it. So would you believe in this earbud just here, you're getting 12 hours of battery life on standard play, which is really, really incredible. And you're getting another 36 hours with the case too, charging, which is fantastic. Now these earbuds have 4 mics in them as well. So 4 mics enable you get to crystal clear calling as well. Use them on the phone. They're very clear to hear people, but also love the design. So these are the stick design, and these are probably my favorite because they have the silicone tips at the back. Now, the silicone tips means it holds quite well in the ear, but also stops the noise coming from the outside. So the noise cancelling will work very well, the active noise cancelling with these. And on that point, we're going to go test out the active noise cancelling later. But you're going to see how these have very, very good active noise cancelling. So they work very well. So when it comes to wireless earbuds, JBL has consistently been at the forefront of marrying innovative technology with top tier audio quality. The driving force behind this unparalleled auditory experience is undeniably the JBL Pure Bass Sound. So these true wireless earbuds promise up to 48 hours of exceptional sound quality, ensuring that every beat is amplified and every note is pristine. And yes, that's right, you've got 12 hours in the earbuds and 36 hours in the case. I mean, holy moly. So I'm gonna go pop these now in my ears so you can look how they go. Now, I really do love the stick design with a silicone tip. Now, why I like that is the silicone tip actually helps it lock into the ear, and it means you don't have a lot of noise spillage or moving around. So it can stop you from hearing outside sound. You can see it's not moving at all in my ears as well. You can also control it by pressing the buttons. So on the right, you can change tracks. You can pause. And on the left here, you've got your ambient aware, your noise cancelling as well. Now guys, you can also use these for Google and Amazon hands-free, just by calling them, giving them voice prompts. So they actually call you when you're out and about as well. So it's really, really good. But what about the sound comfort? Well, the ergonomic design of the JBL earbuds is complemented by its water and dust resistant capabilities. So whether you're caught in an unexpected drizzle, you're working out at a sandy beach, which guys I love to do as you know, or simply enjoying a sunny day at the park, these earbuds are destined to be your constant companion right through. They promise all-day comfort, irrespective of the weather conditions. So it means that you can have your musical journey remains as uninterrupted as your comfort. So it really, really is good. And most JBL earbuds these days actually do have water and dust resistant. It's really good with all their new ranges come out. Now, another cornerstone of these earbuds is its 6mm drivers. So these drivers work very well. So not quite as much. We had 12mm drivers, another pair of earbuds. We did the JBL Live Free 2, which you can see here. But these still do pump out some fantastic sound with the drivers as well. And I've also got Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio support. So that means you're guaranteed efficient power consumption when you're using them, but also liberty to use one or both earbuds and even share your audio with a friend. It really, really is good. Now, what about the active noise cancelling? Well, the active noise cancelling technology is advanced and nuanced. With just a simple touch over here, so I've got the ear button, you can manage and enjoy calls without interference or ambient noises. So whether you're taking an impromptu business call, catching up with an old friend, the environment you're in becomes inconsequential because you've got the noise cancelling. And also, if you wish, you've also got ambient aware technology. So these allow you to choose which degree you engage with your surroundings. So literally put them on, press a button, and it can reduce the outside noise so you can start talking to people. It really, really is good. Now, each of these earbuds as well has 4 mics built into it as well. So what 4 mics means is you've got very, very good calling as well. So as you can see here, guys, I tested these earbuds out in noise cancellation on a busy bridge. And on that point, actually, let me go and use it now at the gym. So as you can see, I'm working out here at the gym, doing a great workout, pumping it out, and they're not moving all in my ears. And because of the seal, I can't hear the noise around me as well. So, you know, they work very, very well. And even if I was out and about, you know, running in the rain, these wouldn't pick it up as well. So, you know, it really is good. Another highlight of these is the stick close design, as you can see here. So it ensures not only a secure fit, but also provides an effective isolation from outside noise. So it results in enhanced sound performance, making sure that what you hear is unadulterated music, podcasts or calls, basically whatever you want, guys, you can hear it. And the tips do help that with the design. But let's just stop with customization also. You've got the JBL Headphone app as well. So as you can see here, you can customize everything. So you can customize your bass levels, your EQ levels. You can change the different gestures depending how they work. You can change noise cancelling. Basically, you can change all the controls through the JBL app. And what I love with it is it really allows you to have control over your music because you don't want to get earbuds that aren't tailored for you as well. So perfect. Anyway, guys, let's go jump in now and do a sound test and you guys can hear what these sound like. So yeah, let's do that now.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wait.
So as you can hear, kicking things off with dance music, the JBL Tune Beam impeccably echoed the rhythm and electronic intricacies of each track. The bass was profound and rich. So the JBL Tune Beam really are great earbuds. They sit in mid-range in the JBL range. Fantastic sound quality, good noise cancelling, fantastic battery life, you know, and dust and water resistant. You're not going to get much more. So check out links below if you wish to purchase. Also make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button. But guys, we really appreciate you joining us here at MrYouWho. Anyway, thanks for joining us here with Andy at MrYouWho.
Look at me sometimes.